look at that gorgeous meal. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this beautiful and delicious pasta dish. Oh, what attractive and nice looking vegetables that God has blessed us with. Do you ever see these and wonder how God loves us? Of course, we'll be using the spaghetti, which is the star of the dish, and these beautiful vegetables to make this dish. So stay right glued with me. My kitchen. So guys, we'll start by chopping up and blending the red and yellow bell peppers with the onions, the Scotch bonnet, the garlic and the red pointed peppers. Then we'll go ahead to slice our spring onions, the second red onions and the green bell peppers. We'll use that later on while cooking. Here guys, I've already chopped up the peppers as I mentioned, and I'm going to blend them right now. After blending, we set it aside. Now to a pot of boiling water, add some oil. This is to prevent the spaghetti from sticking together. Then add some salt. And then bring in the spaghetti. Stir and cover up to boil. Now decant the oil from the sardines. And in a separate frying pan, pour the oil and allow to heat up. When the oil is hot enough, you pour in the blended peppers, cover up and allow to fry. 8 to 10 minutes into boiling the spaghetti, you drain out the water. Leave the liquid guys, we'll be needing some of it for the sauce. And then I poured some sweet corn onto the spaghetti. This is totally optional, but I just did it to, we want all the goodness. I stirred it and covered it up. I had already turned off the burner, so the heat remaining will do the rest of the cooking. Six to 7 minutes later, the peppers should be almost fried. So then you bring in the tomato paste and allow it all to cook up. Another 4 minutes and it's all fried now. So bring in your spices. I used a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of curry powder. Give it 1 more minute and then you bring in your sliced onions. You stir very well and bring in the sardines. Guys, this is optional, but I chose to break up the fish because I wasn't looking out for the whole fish in the sauce, but I just wanted to get the chewy fish-like texture in the sauce, and that's why I decided to mash it all up. Then loosen up the sauce with some pasta liquid. Guys, remember I asked us to save this earlier, so I hope you saved yours. You loosen up the sauce with this. So then you sprinkle some nutmeg on the surface of the sauce. Do not stir this guys, just cover up the pot, and 2 minutes later, oh my loves, and when you open your pot, the aroma in your kitchen will be so lovely. Trust me guys, this is a kitchen hack. And then next up, you bring in your sliced spring onions. This is another of my favorite in the kitchen. It brings your meal to a whole new level, guys. for another 2 minutes. And then you bring in the sliced green bell peppers. Add your stock cubes, you stir, cover up for the steam to do the rest of the job, and it's done. It's done, guys. Food is ready. For more beauty, you may sprinkle with some parsley leaves. Look at that beauty, guys. Look at that beauty. Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and share with your friends. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section, guys. Let's discuss. Bye.